अस्सलाम वालेकुम एंड गुड इवनिंग पाकिस्तान। मेरा नाम फैसल कपाडिया है, मेरे साथ डॉक्टर अवाब अलवी बैठे हैं।
आज हम
द आउट ऑफ बाउंड शो।
आज हम बात कर रहे हैं सोशल मीडिया राउंड अबाउट फॉर दिस लास्ट वीक, जिसमें अब टेक्निकली
पहले तो आप बताएं टेड पे क्या हुआ, और आप इतने बड़े कोई पागल आदमी हैं कि आप एक सीट दूर बैठे हुए थे किससे?
कैमरन डियाज से,
और इन्होंने कैमरन डियाज के साथ तस्वीर नहीं खींचा, ये शर्मीन उबैद के साथ खींचा के आगे।
शर्मीन उबैद
मतलब एक सीट दूर बैठी थी,
शर्मीन उबैद के साथ
एक सीट दूर बैठी थी कैमरन डियाज।
आई थिंक दैट वाज अ वेरी प्राउड मोमेंट for Pakistan. Sharmeen Ubaid, I'm glad I know, but I'm glad that it was a proud moment. बहुत खुश हुआ, I was very happy. She came to TED the next day, and with the Oscars, and we were happy to have her. And so yes, Cameron Diaz was right behind, right next to her. तस्वीर खींची है, मगर तस्वीर ऐसी खींची है कि वो उससे सर नीचे हुआ।
इस तरह थोड़ी कोई शेडी स्टॉकर्स की तरह तस्वीर खींचते हैं, इंट्रोड्यूस कराते हैं अपने आप को, फिर गले में हाथ डाल के तस्वीर खिंचाते हैं यार। ये थोड़ी के बैठी हुई है। What is that?
यार क्या करें यार, नहीं कर सकते यार।
No social skills.
No, I know. No fan skills.
No
fan skills. कि पीछे पंखे की तरह।
Speaking of Sharmeen Ubaid Chinoy, yes, it was a very proud moment for Pakistan, and the fact के मैं जो शोर मचा रहा था उनके जाने से पहले कि इतनी कवरेज नहीं मिल रही थी, अब तो लाइन लगी हुई होगी। कल तो प्रेशर भी है, कल प्रेशर भी है उनका।
नहीं, she is totally swamped with people asking, and she and Pakistan.
अब तो पाकिस्तान की बेटी है सर।
And I'm glad she got the award. इनिशियली वो परेशान थी कि भाई हर लल्लू पंजू को तो अवार्ड मिल चुका है ना, और निशाने इम्तियाज जो है तो
नहीं। बट the point I'm making is कि हमारी मीडिया की डुप्लिसिटी आप देखें कि जब उसको फीचर करना चाहिए था और वो उठाना चाहिए था, जब कुछ नहीं जीती उसके बाद जो है नाम अचानक शुरू कर दिया पाकिस्तान का अवार्ड है, पाकिस्तान का है।
बट आई थिंक आई एम आल्सो ग्लैड कि उसको निशान इम्तियाज मिल गया, ठीक है। इनिशियल परेशान थी कि भाई वो एवरी लल्लू पंजू को तो मिल चुका है, बट शी अर्नड इट ऑन।
लल्लू पंजू को नहीं मिलता निशान।
नहीं, रहमान मलिक को मिला है। चल लास्ट ईयर वी हैड
स्टेटमेंट देखें आप, बट एक तो आप तस्वीर भी नहीं खिंचा सकते कैमरन डियाज का, फिर आप बकवास करते हैं।
क्यों लगा रहे हो यार, क्यों लगा?
अच्छा, मैंने सुना इमरान खान ने जंप मार दी स्टेज से पंजाब में किसी जलसे से।
वो हालात वो कंफ्यूजन थी कुछ, देयर वाज अ क्राइसिस। आई सॉ हिम जंप ऑन।
कंफ्यूजन हो गया तो छलांग मार दी।
छलांग नहीं मारी, वो यू सॉ हिम गेट डाउन फ्रॉम द स्टेज बिकॉज़ देयर वाज नो वे आउट फ्रॉम द अदर साइड, तो दैट्स व्हाट हैपेंड।
तो उन्होंने छलांग मारी स्टेज।
छलांग यार, कंटेनर से नीचे जंप मारी यार, बंदा एनर्जेटिक है, छलांग गाड़ी पे जाना था। बट यू एक्चुअली शुड अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आर वी टॉकिंग अबाउट यार। आगे चलो यार।
अच्छा एनीवेज, अच्छा तो आप और बताइए टेड कैसा रहा?
Yeah, TED was really inspiring. We had some very interesting discussions overall. वहाँ the only problematic issue that I saw was कि they was developing a drone, that they were developing a plane that could go at Mach 20. अच्छा, at Mach 20 they were testing that, they had tested out for two flights in fact. एक 1.5 मिनट की sustained flight थी, एक 3 मिनट की sustained flight. But can you imagine their DARPA, the military एक agency that forms this, तो technically stealth fighters जो stealth SR-71As जो थे, जो ने retire कर दिए थे। Can you imagine वो 2-3 साल पहले they have been retired out of service, that means they had served their purpose. Now the new technology is basically going at Mach 20.
Mach 20.
Mach 20 is
20 times the speed of sound.
Absolutely, from New York to LA in 11 minutes.
Wow.
Which is about a 6-hour flight, 5-hour flight. So it's New York to LA in 11 minutes.
तो मारवी मेमन ठट्टा से पंजाब कितनी देर में पहुंचेंगी?
मेमन कहाँ से आएगी यार? कहाँ नहीं यार? वो तो पता within 20 seconds or not. So the thing is कि my question immediately after that, I am great for technology, great for improvement, but the fact who controls this technology?
The US does.
The US does, and the responsibility, so-called responsible technological responsibility, does not fall in that US who has dropped bombs, who has invaded people. To
they're even developing a new bomb just in case they need to fight Iran. Just in case.
They might be. The other thing which was also.
Well, actually, I don't actually blame the US for making use of the technology that they develop. How can you do that?
You can't, but
because they're spending the money on it, they're doing the R&D for it. आप बनाए ना यार, अगर आप इतने smart.
नहीं, I agree, but वही मैं बताऊँ कि world domination वाली जो technology जब.
So any nation that has superior technological powers has tried to dominate the world. आप नहीं करेंगे?
करेंगे.
तो फिर?
तो मगर मैं वही
पहले जाते हैं उनके लॉन्ग बीच इवेंट अटेंड करने, फिर आके उनको गालियां देते हैं। ये आप
नहीं, गाली नहीं दी, गाली आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द टेक्नोलॉजी दैट वाज डिस्प्लेड देयर। वो था, फिर दे वर
अभी iPad 3 भी खरीदेंगे।
अरे हाँ, iPad 3 आई डोंट थिंक इट्स अ गुड
व्हाई नॉट?
Yeah,
it's definitely a better buy than an iPad 2.
What do you mean the iPad 3? It's the new iPad.
New iPad 3. It's a better buy than the second one.
Yeah, I was thinking it was only actually I would claim it as a gamer iPad. वो जो games बंदा खेल सकता है, I don't see anyone doing Counter-Strike, killing terrorists on Counter-Strike on the iPad.
ये पता है क्या, Apple की devices का मैंने जहाँ तक study किया वो ये है कि एक इनकी नई device आती है, फिर एक transitionary device आती है, फिर एक उस technology को perfect करके नई device.
But
3GS was a transitionary device. 4 they perfected it. 4S again is a transitionary device. As an iPhone is concerned, Siri is not working properly in Pakistan because it does not have the network support.
दुनिया भर में Siri is not.
नहीं, it is दुनिया भर में सही चल रहा है.
सही चल रहा है मगर इस्तेमाल. No one is stupid enough to talk to the phone. They rather type and they're not in that sense of communication.
It will come. No one was stupid enough to engage in FaceTime and Skype as well. It came.
Well, नहीं FaceTime, but talking to a computer.
Okay, so why do you think the iPad 3 is not a good
iPad 3, the thing that you raised just before you were getting on show is the fact that इसमें कैमरा बेहतर है.
5 megapixel. Yes.
I think camera FaceTime में जो है is decent enough.
No, it's a VGA camera on the front.
Your iPad 2 right now downgraded to a $300 or $340.
2 ना?
2 है ना? So you'd rather buy an iPad 2. I would still recommend an iPad 2. I would not buy an iPad 3. It's almost like a 4 or 4S का 4 खरीद लें, 4 or 4S आप.
No, but the thing is, you have to figure out what you use the most. I did not see any feasibility in using a virtual assistant, so I always went for the iPhone 4. ठीक है? And
do you actually see the need to buy the iPad 3?
I do, because I have an iPad, the first one, and now it's going up. So
I
would rather jump to a device which has been sort of perfected by now, and it's got a faster processor and a Retina display, and it's for the same price. So why not?
Retina, has the size of the iPad changed?
No, I don't think so. It's the same size.
Just coming back. I mean, तुमने एक चीज़ बात सही की थी. TED पे is a बहुत एक interesting discussion चला था. There was the 4 days of TED. इसमें first, the second day was overuse of technology दिखाई गई थी, and they were saying the technology is this: Mach 3, robotic helicopters, artificial intelligence, and a lot of things. Then the next 3 days were talking about the human element of the misuse of technology. Misuse of technology, the overpowering technology, how the technology has taken us.
I don't think it's misuse at all.
No. The technology has overpowered us. Example:
if I've made a warplane that can basically kick anyone a warplane's ass, I'll go bomb the hell out of anyone.
Not in that context. I'm talking about the fact that आप और मैं अगर बैठे हैं तो some of us are now comfortable using the phone to message people rather than picking up the phone and calling people up.
Okay, that's you.
That's me. And there are a lot of people. There were talks on the show by a person who actually had her girls have a pajama party. And when she walked into the room for the pajama party, she took a picture, and there were 3 girls sitting together in separate consoles and typing away and literally chatting to each other.
Where are these pajama party pictures?
Yeah, you'll get a TED talk पर आ जाएंगे. There were pictures there. There was only one picture, यार, decent picture. यार तुम लोग तुम्हारी ज़हनियत खराब है यार, छोड़ो यार.
A view to
तुम्हारी ज़हनियत खराब है यार.
in a different light.
तुम लोग की ज़हनियत.
Is Cameron Diaz in this pajama party?
No, she's not, but I wish she was.
I'm sorry, I had to ask that question. आगे बढ़ो.
बस तो वही मैं बता
So you're talking about basically the social element or जो isolation हो गई है technologies.
वो निकल के, and it has happened, and I think
I wrote about this as well recently, and it's very interesting. I took a picture in the Park Passion event.
हाँ,
did you see that?
Everyone was on.
Yes. There were like 4 rows of very important people, like the movers and shakers of
like
social media, and they were all sitting there going like this, and nobody's witnessing what's happening on stage. So it's quite funny. Actually, there's been a book written on this, which says that we are not living. There's no क्या कहते हैं, पहले ये होता था ना कि आप किसी चीज़ को anticipate करते थे, फिर वो हो जाती थी तो उसके post आपको एक feeling होती थी. The anticipatory and the post event feeling has finished. There is only the now. ठीक है? तो आप अपने फोन पे लगे हुए हो और कुछ हुआ आपने देखा, oh okay, and then that's it. You're back in your world.
And I agree, and ये disconnect हो गया, बढ़ गया, and it's going to get worse. Just coming back,
But do you think that because of this disconnect, the haves and the have-nots have also separated further in society? Because बहुत से लोग हैं उनको तो उनके पास कोई access ही नहीं है सारी technology. What about that?
No.
In our own society.
जिनके पास mobile phone है वो तो haves में हो गए, जिनके पास नहीं है वो have not में हो गए. That means you've increased the haves if you are talking about the mobile phone access.
actually increased. So it's an upward move.
Access to technology has increased to a lot of people. I think that's the haves have increased. मैं एक चीज़ जो iPad की जो हम डिस्कशन में थोड़ा सा डाइवर्ट हो गए थे, तो what was happening, I read an article today जिसमें उन्होंने कहा कि you know जब Mac का इवेंट होता है तो there's a huge interest in watching it live tweeted, live blogged itself. अच्छा, तो जो Cover It Live reports that it totally crashed during the Cover It Live moment for the traffic की वजह से, and they have not been able to sustain it. एक और कोई कंपनी summarize ऐसी थी जो, और
अभी देखो मतलब वो स्टीव जॉब्स के बाद भी,
हाँ, in fact Oscars में the Cover It Live sustained 1 million worth of traffic. This was having 2.5 million worth of traffic and they could not sustain it. Twitter, on the other hand, has developed the infrastructure to sustain that traffic in the sense that there was graphs जिसमें कहा था कि 11 से 12,000 tweets using the word iPad during the event happened
every second.
Wow. So they have done it, but they've not been able to consolidate it into one place, because वो जो लोग consolidate effect है, बहुत सारा traffic है, but तो what the discussion was basically Twitter has perfected the back end sustainability for high end traffic, and they were able to do that. Even to, and I'll एक और एक comment वाला हूँ, but the Storify और ये जो चीज़ें हैं, they've not been able to sustain. They've got a good front end, but they've not been developing a back end. The other thing that happened was even Google has crashed on Michael Jackson का जब वो death हुई थी, तो people were searching on Google, and इसी article में लिखना, I thought it surprising because people were searching for Michael Jackson crash and Google servers thought it was a DNS attack on the servers, and for 15 or 20 minutes they could not understand if this was actual traffic or this was that. So we make out the search for knowledge, search for information on the internet has gone so much that every impulsive कोई बड़ा event होता है तो we actually go online to search for knowledge. इसमें से Apple के events में भी सब online भागते हैं, और ऐसे बड़े news events में भी जैसे tsunamis और बड़े disasters में भी people go online.
So basically online is a resource that we all go to.
TV, I don't think the breaking news does not catch up as quickly as online news goes, and people actually don't turn on TVs now. They turn on the computer.
And what was your most compelling that you thought talk in TED?
Oh, there was a talk by उसका नाम बोलना, he was talking about black injustice, black people having injustice in the society in the American prisons, and अच्छी motivating talk थी. The talk is already online and I've shared it. I forgot his name, and in fact
of course you forgot his name. Cameron Diaz was sitting next to you.
I'm forgetting, but his talk was very emotional, very very compelling. But
so the stigma still exists. The
barrier it does absolutely big time, and I think they still need to get out of the way. Let's wrap up the show.
All right, Ji, let's wrap it up. This is Out of Bounds, and this was our week on social media. This was our roundup. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you.